Hydra Dermabrasion handpiece is connected with the main machine. You'll find Hydra tips and rubber rings inside the accessories bag. Detach the tip before you replace any faulty rubber ring. Attach the Hydra tip onto the handpiece. Replace any faulty fuse with one of the two spare fuses. Pry open the fuse cover with the screwdriver, take out the faulty fuse and replace it with the spare fuse. Take out the screws and start to install. Aim the handle holder at the right place and twist the screws into the machine. Connect LED phantom mask candle with the device. Connect ultrasonic candle with the device. Connect coat hammer handle with the device. Connect RF handle with the device. Connect BIO microcurrent handle with the device. Connect the Hydra spray handle with the device. Tighten the screw. Connect the Hydra bottle with the handle and tighten the screw. Connect the Hydra spray with the other end of the handle and tighten the screw. Place the handles onto the handle holder. Connect with power supply. Fill in the bottles with solution. Twist open the clean bottle cover and pour in solution. There are two clean bottles and they're interlinked. When you pour solution into one bottle, two bottles are filled with the same solution, pouring one solution only each time. Click the power button to turn on the machine. Default interface is Hydra Dermabrasion function when you turn on the device. Adjust working time between 0 to 60 minutes. It's advised to treat 10 minutes or so. Energy levels of Hydra Dermabrasion and Hydra Spray are not adjustable. There are altogether 9 Hydra Dermabrasion tips to choose from based on different treatment sites. Click to start. During Hydra Dermabrasion treatment, solution transfers to the skin and then to the waste bottle as wastewater. When the waste bottle is full, the device will stop automatically, so empty the waste bottle in time. Twist the Hydra Dermabrasion knob to adjust suction level. After the treatment, empty the waste bottle, turn on the red valve to pass out the wastewater. Fill in the clean water bottle with normal saline after each treatment. Turn on the device and stop the handle with thumb so that the saline can circulate and clean the device. Soak the tips at 75-degree alcohol to disinfect after each hydrodermabrasion treatment. Click Hydra Spray Jet on the screen. Adjust working time. It's advised to treat each treatment site for 10 minutes or so. Take out the Hydra Spray Jet, fill in the Hydra bottle with water. Choose from purified water, watery essence, toner, normal saline, etc. based on skin needs. Twist the bottle back onto the handle and tighten the screw. Click Start. Twist the end of the Hydra Spray Jet to adjust the level of mist. Press down on the wrench to spray. Click Ultrasound on the screen. Adjust energy level. Energy level ranges from 0 to 10. It's advised to adjust between 2 to 8. Working time ranges from 0 to 60 minutes. It's advised to treat each site for 15 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits blue LED. Apply essence before treatment to better let in nutrients and help skin absorb better. Click RF on the screen. Adjust energy level. It's advised to adjust between 3 to 8. It's advised to treat each site for 15 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits red LED. Apply essence before treatment to tighten skin and increase skin elasticity. Click Cold Hammer on the screen. Adjust energy level. It's advised to adjust between 5 to 10. It's advised to treat each site for 10 minutes or so. Click Start. Apply essence before treatment to shrink pores and calm skin. Click BIO microcurrent on the screen. Adjust energy level. It's advised to adjust between 2 to 6 and treat each site for 10 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits green LED. Apply essence before treatment to tighten skin, activate skin cells, and brighten skin. Click LED phantom mask on the screen. Select color. There's 7 different lights of LED, all target different skin issues. Select the LED color based on one's own skin needs. Select mode. There's monocolor consecutive mode and